Morning. Just gonna have a little ride around here, see if we can find the bucket for the 3350. We've got a trimmer loader on here if you haven't seen it before. Play a game, find the bucket. It could be anywhere. So far I found the bag lifter, the pallet forks, the butt rake, but not the grain bucket yet. Found it, it's in this old shed. So many old sheds around here, it could have been anywhere. There's an old set of dual wheels there for this tractor if anybody wants them. Send me an email if you do. The tyres are knackered though. The rims on this tractor are 38 inches, so that's what those duals fit, 38-inch rims. So it's Monday, 1st of June today, and I'm up at farm 2, and we are cleaning out grain stores this week. It's a lovely job, but it's got to be done. Dad's actually out spraying right now, just for the morning, or he's doing a tank this morning. He is putting some more of that turple on the spring barley, so we're going fast enough. Got to find the right gear. What I'm doing right now is we got some spring oats in the back of this shed, and I'm basically just clearing them up and putting them in the grain trailer, and then I'll take them back to farm 1 because I've got some spring oats there, you see. I'll add them onto that pile. Get the bucket over the edge. I know we can because we've done it before. Dad said he used to load grain lorries with this tractor back in the day when the lorries were smaller. So they forecast us some rain for Tuesday evening coming down from the north, but whether it will actually amount to much or not, it would take a lot to make a difference. See, low range isn't really fast enough. You end up having to go into high range. Well, it'll be alright. I'm in no rush, so we just go low range. There's only a little pile in the back of here that needs cleaning up.
Can you remember the name of their lead vocalist?
Must be getting old. I'm listening to Popmaster. It's a bit boring though. So if you're wondering why I'm not using the JCB to load this trailer, it's because I haven't got a grain bucket here for it. So yeah, we've got the 33 here with a bucket, so it's nice to use it really. Nice tractor to drive, if you don't mind gears. I think it's going to be another hot day today. There's a bit of breeze though today, so be okay. So we just got these 2 on-floor stores to do here at farm 2. Like they're aerated floors. I won't bore you too much with cleaning and grain stores. I didn't even think I was going to do a video this week, but because I thought cleaning grain stores is a bit boring. But then when I got this 33 out, I thought, oh, I'll make a little video. I bet any Australians that are watching the channel are probably thinking that we're moaning about nothing when it comes to rain, because it really is nothing compared to what they have to deal with. But the amount of wheat produced in the UK was already going to be down because not much of it, well, nowhere near as much wheat as normal got planted in the autumn, winter wheat. And now the wheat that is planted is going to be down on yield because of dry weather. I don't think I can really call it a drought yet. 2 months without rain, well, I guess for England 2 months without rain is a drought, isn't it? I think if Ireland went 2 months without rain, that would be an extreme drought. I know one thing, I'd rather drive this old tractor than the 5100M that they've got up at Farm 3. That thing is not very nice. It's got that stupid gear stick that's hard to get in and out of park. I don't know whether I think you can probably get them with an auto quad gearbox. It would be a lot nicer tractor with that. Okay, it's Wednesday morning. I'm at Farm 1 at home. And what we have been doing this week is, like I said before, cleaning grain stores. We got finished up at Farm 2 on Monday. We done both of those flat stores in a day, so that was good to get that done. Now yesterday, on Tuesday, we were here at Farm 1 cleaning up these flat stores. So there was also some oats in the back of this shed, some winter oats. So what we did was scoop those up and add them to the oats that were already in the trailer from Farm 2. So we've now got a full trailer load of oats. Also, I've got the grain bucket full up as well, full to the brim. So yeah, what we did was picked up the oats, cleaned the floor, cleaned the walls, cleaned the ledges with the leaf blower, and then we put some insecticide in the sprayer on the gator and sprayed round with the insecticide to kill bugs. We don't want any bugs in here. And yeah, and now it's all dried, the insecticide's all dried up, so what I'm going to do is tip the trailer of oats in the back of the shed and the bucket of oats as well, and then I can go and we done the other side yesterday as well, but the combine's in, and so now I've just got one more flat store to do here at Farm 1, and then that's all the grain stores done. We also got this one cleaned out as well yesterday, where the combine lives, which is next door to the one that I'm just about to tip the oats. It's actually, according to the radar, it's actually raining right now, but we don't see any rain, do we, Eric? It does look very patchy on the radar, so hopefully we'll get some today. We'll do with a lot. Okay, so I'm still at farm 1. I've just walked round to the other flat store. I don't know if this is flat store 1 or 2. But yeah, this is the one that's got the aerated floor. Well, they've got the tunnels, what the air blows through to cool the grain when it's full up with grain, basically. So what we've got to do, Dad's going to come down and help me in a minute. We've got to hoover these tunnels out, basically, and then once this one's all clean, it will be sprayed with the insecticide, and then that'll be another one done. But we can't do this one. Well, you can't even see in there, can you? But you can a bit. We can't do that one until we've rolled. All this barley has got to go through the roller mill. So yeah, we'll get that done at some point, and then we can clean that one down. Okay, Thursday morning. It's still dry. We didn't get any rain yesterday, just a few spots. Didn't even wet the concrete. So yeah, that's quite frustrating, especially as like, not, you know, parts of the country not even too far away from us had like 10 mil yesterday. So north and south of us. So yeah, annoying. Hopefully we'll get something in the next few days, but it's not looking very likely. So yeah. Spring barley's all starting to come out in awn now. They're showing quite a lot of their awns. So in the next few days, that will be out in full. The awns will be out in full. So what I'm doing this morning, or what I did yesterday, which is what you saw. Me and Dad, we cleaned up that one side of that grain store, hoovered out those air tunnels. So that one's all clean, ready to be sprayed. Now I've got to roll the barley that is in the side that's got the barley. So that's what I've done yesterday afternoon. I rolled a trailer load of barley, and now I'm just taking it up to farm 3 to tip it in their feed shed, and then I'm going to go back and start another load. Just looking at the around the edge of that crop of barley where I sprayed around the edges. It's already dying off already. Looks good. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. So like I said earlier, we've already cleaned that side out. That's ready to be sprayed. This side is not clean. I need to scoop that barley up with a bucket and bring it over to this hole here. I know a lot of you will have already seen this before, but also a lot of you won't. This is feed barley, winter barley, and it goes down that pit. I need to push all this in with a bucket. Goes in there. It then goes up that auger, into that hopper, and then down into the roller mill. Okay, so now I'm in the main dryer store where all the bins are. I'll show you the bins. That's the dryer. So we didn't actually clean this ourselves. We had a contractor come in and clean this with a hydrovane. So they blew it all down with a hydrovane and then hoover it all up. It's all looking very nice and clean in here. Unless we got our own hydrovane, we'd struggle to clean this store properly, you see. Because there's no way you can reach on top of the conveyors, and also in these bins. There's 8 bins in here. I'm not sure how well you can see. Like I said before, a lot of you have already seen these before. These are 100-ton bins, and yeah, basically they use the hydrovane to blow the grain off the ledges, and then they sweep the dust and the bits of grain. Need some new lights in here next time it's full up with grain. They sweep the dust and the bits of grain down the holes, and then they go along the conveyor, up the elevator, and out the bulk out spout. Alright, that's all folks, that's pretty much it. Nothing really to report this afternoon. It's Thursday afternoon, still no rain. It looks like we could get some showers on Saturday afternoon, but I'm not going to hold my breath. I'm trying to reverse the trailer and talk to a camera, so it could all go wrong. Yeah, so that's it. Different video. I have got a video for Sunday, but you have to wait and see what that is. If you've been following the Instagram, you might well have already guessed. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.